What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite some time since the last video I uploaded, but here I am again. Hope you guys are doing well, and here is my lawn. Today we are going to do one of the best things that can be done in the lawn right now. So stay tuned and coming soon. For being quite neglected last year, this lawn is not looking that bad. Obviously, we have some bare spot, as you can see here, and some weeds to take care of. What I have done so far to this lawn, an application of double dark to take care of the weeds. I have used the Spectracide weed stop for lawn. Today, obviously, we are going to keep going with the plan. The almost the mid of May, we are going to throw into the lawn. It's the Scott GrubEx, which obviously will kill prevent grubs. In the season, as you can see from the bag, apply spring to early summer. As I said, we are mid of May, so I think that is the perfect time to apply it. For my lawn, which is, you know, for this part of the lawn at least, which is just over 500 square foot, we are going to apply 1.5 pound of the product today. So stay tuned and let's apply the product. The spreader setting, obviously I have the I'm using the Scots, so it's gonna be 3.5. I like to be, you know, just under the that number, so